Setting up an exit intent pop-up with Proof is a game changer for improving conversions and boosting sales. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to create an exit intent pop-up with Proof step by step. This strategy has been proven to stop visitors from leaving your site while building trust through social proof. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use this powerful software for free right now with exclusive bonuses available through the link below. Stick around to the end and I'll share exactly how you can get access to an extended free trial to maximize your success with exit intent pop-ups. Now let's start by understanding what an exit intent pop-up is. It's a tool that detects when a user is about to leave your site and presents them with a targeted offer or reminder to encourage them to stay or convert. By combining exit intent technology with social proof, like customer testimonials, reviews, or user activity, you increase the chances of turning a potential lost lead into a sale. To get started, first, choose the right software for creating exit intent pop-ups with Proof. There are several options out there, but I'll focus on one that's intuitive, customizable, and has an easy integration process. Once you've signed up, it's time to build your pop-up. Select Exit Intent from the settings, which triggers the pop-up when the visitor is about to leave the page. Next, choose your Proof element. For example, you can add live customer reviews, show how many people have made a purchase recently, or highlight user activity on your site. This element will work to establish credibility and encourage the visitor to take action before they leave. Make sure your pop-up doesn't just have proof, but a clear and compelling call to action, CTA. Whether it's a discount, a limited time offer, or a reminder about something they're interested in, this will give them a reason to stay. The CTA should match the tone of your site and be clear and to the point. You don't want to confuse the visitor. Just remind them of what they're missing out on. Now here's where the magic happens: tracking. After setting up your exit intent pop-up with Proof, you can start tracking how it performs. Metrics like conversion rate, bounce rate, and engagement rate are crucial for understanding how effective your pop-up is at capturing those exit intent visitors. This data will help you make adjustments to your design, Proof, and CTA to increase your success. If you're new to exit intent pop-ups, don't worry if the first version isn't perfect. A/B testing can help you fine-tune your pop-ups for maximum impact. Try different messages, proof points, and designs to see what resonates most with your audience. Over time, you'll find the optimal combination that keeps visitors from bouncing and boosts conversions. To recap, setting up an exit intent pop-up with Proof is a simple yet powerful strategy for improving your website's performance. Use proof like customer reviews or recent purchases to add credibility and make your pop-up irresistible. Don't forget to monitor performance and run A/B tests to continually improve. And remember, if you want to get started today, you can grab an exclusive extended free trial to this software by using the first link in the description below. This trial includes additional bonuses that will help you scale your efforts and see real results in no time. Make sure to check out the free trial and get started with creating your exit intent pop-up with Proof today.